Alright guys, I just got my package in, so I'm gonna open it up and make sure everything's inside. And alright. Got engine bearings, piston rings, got pistons, I'm not sure what this is. Oh, more bearings. Pistons, piston rings. I'm not sure what this is. This should be coming out of the fucking. And I got, wonder why I needed 3 boxes of those. Well, that's my rebuild kit right there. So I'm just figuring out the details on when basically, and how I'm gonna get it there. We'll get her figured out though. So I'll be posting a video. I try to post a video every day, but when I can't really fix nothing, it kind of makes it a little bit more difficult. Because at this point, I'm a little bit in over my head. So I wish there was a way I could flip that around. So I'm just gonna throw all the stuff back in the box. And the 29th I should have review of those once. But I'll tell you what, 100% they'll be better than what I had to do. I had to makeshift clog up my fucking exhaust manifold because it was cracked all the way from back here all the way to the front of it. So that was a quick fix, and then it ended up blowing the head gasket. So that's why we don't do quick fixes over here. So at least it was a quick fix because I already had ordered. I was just waiting on them. So just figuring out when and where my buddy's gonna be able to pick it up or bring it over to his shop so we can figure out a day to film, rebuild it all. Sorry, just cleaning up my area over here. I don't like to be leaving messes. Gotta keep this world clean, we don't get another one. That makes sense. Well, hope everyone has a good day. Thank you for subscribing and leaving a like, leave a comment if you have anything to ask or say or recommend. I'm always open ears. Thank you, and I hope everyone has a good rest of your day.